I'm coming to you from Ducote's Restaurant and Bar Supply on 4433 Florida Boulevard in the great city of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And this is one of my favorite stores because I can come in and I can get supplies that I need for my baking. And also, if you're becoming a professional baker, they have everything in here, from your outerwear, which is your chef pants here, and different styles and sizes. And also you have your jackets, your chef jackets, you know, you're needing something a little bit more of a professional look. And also you have your hats here, your head coverings here. And then if you want to follow me and come this way, and then if you come here, you even have your restaurant equipment that you see on TV. And in the restaurants, you have your gloves. They have different sizes and bulk, which is great. And then if you come down here, your big mixing bowls, like if you have like a really huge mixer, you have those the different size bowls here, as well as the attachments here as well when you're making bread and making cakes, big batches of cakes. This metal bowl is huge. They have it all here. And if you're making cupcakes, this is a great place to buy different size pans. You have your 12 count as well as your bigger 24 count right here. They have different, you have your light colored metal as well as your heavier pans. Now this thing is huge, but this is a great pan and it'll last a long time because it's made of a really heavy metal. Here is one of my favorite sections. This is where you can find your cake pans for your wedding cakes and your different specialty cakes. You have your light colored pans here with where the bottom will come out if you look at that. And also you have your darker, heavier pans here. I kind of like the lighter pans because you can kind of gauge your baking time. Down here a little bit further. Look at this. This is one of, now I'm walking out of the store with this one. This is one I'm going to purchase. This is a 25 tip set pan. Now if you think about this, when you try to order this online, you may pay anywhere between $25 to $50. They even have some sets that are only $10. Can you believe that? That's awesome. And you can use these tips for decorating cupcakes as well as cookies, or making decorations on your cakes. And here's some more cake decorating pans. And this is, look at this pan, is only $6.68. I have bought a pan like this in a retail store for $15. See, this place has great prices. And then let's come down in front. All of your measuring supplies are right here. Look at this. This is an aluminum measuring cups. It is only $4.68. You have your aluminum measuring spoons. And you guys know that anything that's aluminum is easy to clean, and you can keep those things forever. Cutting boards here. You have your all these restaurant supplies here. And look, I found a whisk. You got anything from the small whisk, where you beat a small batch or maybe eggs or something, to ones that you will use for those big mixing bowls. I love it. They have every size you can think of here. If you want to come down this way a little further, you have your spatulas. And there are different types of spatulas. Like this is an angled spatula, and you use this in cake decorating. You'll see this more as we go through our course. And then you have a heavier spatula. And I use this to transfer my cakes from one surface to the other. It's nice and heavy, it's angled. You don't have to worry about dropping your cakes on the floor. And then you have your spatula, which is a straight edge spatula, and this is good for your cake. You use this for your cake decorating, for larger cakes. And then they have one that's for smaller cakes. And then you have your spatula that you can use for the very, very tiny cakes, or to get in small crevices of your whatever it is that you're decorating. I'll show you a few things that I found in this wonderful baking supply store that we need to use for cookie decorating. And one is this silicone baking mat. You see how huge this is? And when you see some of the cooking shows, you'll see people using this for baking, as well as you can do your candies. This is silicone, so you don't have to worry about it burning. And now we come to our baking pan section. Now this section is very important. These pans are nice, heavy baking pans, especially when you're making cookies. It's a heavy aluminum. It gives you great heat, and it'll heat everything evenly. And also it has sides, and that's huge when you're making cookies, because you don't want your cookies to slide out the pan. They have several different sizes, from smaller batches like this one to a size that's way bigger, which is about this size, for a huge oven. And also they have cooling racks, and this is a girl's best friend when it comes to baking. It'll cut your time of having to wait between batches. You'll be able to pop it on that cooling rack, and you'll be good to go. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me at Ducote's Restaurant and Bar Supplies. If you don't have a Ducote's in your area, check out your local restaurant and supply store, and you just may be able to find your prices better there than even you do online. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.